Hello humanity! This time we will discuss how to secure crypto assets that we have bought from central exchange. Because being able to profit is not enough in crypto. As a beginner, learning to secure crypto assets that have been purchased on checks is important. There have been many events that cause crypto assets investors to lose because they do not store the crypto assets in their own wallets. And one of the biggest events was the fall of the FTX exchange. The term "not your keys, not your coins" emphasizes the importance of having a private key for someone's crypto assets ownership. Storing your crypto assets on checks is the same as storing your money in a bank. Doing this means that you have entrusted your crypto assets 100% to them. So, if something happens to them, your crypto assets will also be affected. So, if you want to invest more seriously in crypto, you must learn to create your own wallet. Self-custody wallet is divided into two types, hot wallet and cold wallet. And this time we will only discuss the hot wallet because the cold wallet is usually only needed by people who already have a significant amount of assets in crypto. Hot wallets are divided into two types, wallets that only support EVM chains such as MetaMask and wallets that can support multi-chains, for example SafePal and Trust Wallet. It is called a hot wallet because it is still connected to the internet, while the cold wallet is not connected to the internet. And this time we will use MetaMask, the most popular crypto wallet. But this wallet can only store crypto assets that are EVM compatible. If you want to store the EVM compatible crypto assets, you have to use a multi-chain wallet or a wallet specific to each blockchain such as the Solana chain using Solflare and etc. First, we have to install MetaMask on your smartphone. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for MetaMask in the search column and install the application. Second, after successfully installed, open the MetaMask application. Click Get Started, then create a new wallet. A notification about MetaMask will appear. Scroll and click I agree. And an updated review of the latest MetaMask terms of use will be loaded. Then, checklist on I agree to the terms of use and click Accept. Then you will be prompted to create a new password. Fill in with a strong password, uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Then confirm again to the password that you just created. Then checklist I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. You can also turn on the unlock features with fingerprint and create password. Third, secure wallet. Click start, then enter the password you created earlier. And now, you will be asked to record the 12 secret recovery phrase and remember to record them in sequence. Because this is an important 12 secret word sequence that secures access to your crypto and must be kept in a safe place. You can write it down on a paper or save it on a gadget that is not connected to the internet and then click continue. Fourth, then confirm the 12 secret words earlier in the right sequence that you have recorded earlier. If it is correct, then you can click Finish Backing Up and your wallet is protected. Fifth, MetaMask will give you a quick tour of the features available in MetaMask, and your MetaMask wallet is ready to use. This time, we take the example of how to store COM tokens in your own MetaMask wallet. COM tokens are on the Polygon network, while the default network on MetaMask is Ethereum. You can find out by checking at coinmarketcap.com, open the browser on MetaMask, and enter the coinmarketcap.com. And then type Comunitas with the COM ticker in the search and choose COM. Then you will see various information about COM token. Scroll down in the contact section, you can see the name of network there, and just copy the contract address. So, after you know the network, you can choose which wallet support that network. If in MetaMask, you have to switch to the same network first with the token you want to store. For example, COM tokens. And how to do it? Go back to the wallet menu first, click the network at the top. You can choose to add a network, select the Polygon mainnet, and done. It should be noted that in crypto, there is something called mainnet and testnet. Usually, tokens that have been traded are in the mainnet phase, not the testnet phase, because testnet has the meaning that it is still in testing. Then, we immediately add the COM token to the wallet. Select import token, select custom token, and paste the contract address earlier to the token address, then click enter on your keyboard. Wait until the token symbol or ticker and decimal tokens are filled in automatically. Then click import and your COM token will appear now. Just click accept and copy the address, and that's your personal wallet address. If you want to store COM tokens in MetaMask, you just fill in that address in the withdrawal address section when you want to withdraw tokens from checks. And if you have any questions, please comment below.
Share now if you found this insightful.